Guys, we need to talk RETA, RETA pharmaceutical stock. The stock just tripled this Wednesday on a coin flip FDA approval. The stock was called out on this channel. RETA Pharmaceuticals, RETA, won Food and Drug Administration approval for its neurological disease treatment. Gap down play. We're looking to pick this one up around $28, $29. And RETA stock almost tripled Wednesday. Wednesday is today. It is March 1st. Yesterday is when I called out the stock on February 28th. So February 28th is when we started covering this stock. Congratulations to us. Congratulations to you, because you were informed, if you were in the Discord, about RETA stock, RETA Pharma stock. And this thing went up 300% in a single day. Think about it. AMC, GME, Bed Bath & Beyond, they rarely go up 25% or 50% in a single day. In fact, 9 times out of 10, these stocks will not even go up 10%. In fact, most people are losing money on AMC, GME, and Bed Bath & Beyond. But this stock here, RETA stock, this just went up 300%. This went up 300% from $30 to $90. This stock went crazy. This approval is based on a phase 3 study called MOASS. Patients treated with Skyclarys showed statistically significant improvements in systems after 48 weeks. Usually the FDA requires 2 final phase placebo-controlled studies for drug approvals, however. Okay, so this stock is already defying the odds in multiple ways. Not only does the company defy the odds in the FDA approval, but the stock itself defies the odds in how much it went up in a single day. This gap up is insane. It's one of the biggest increases we've ever had in the past few trading days, and all of us had a chance to get in, buy, and make money off of this stock. You can actually see in the Discord right here, which you can join, link in the description, that RETA stock was called out on February 28th at the buy-in price of $28.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades.
It was called out at $28. You could be making triple your money in a single day. You invest $10,000, that's $20,000 in profit. If you invest $100,000, that is $200,000 that would be all yours. If you did option contract, then yes, you would probably be a millionaire right now. In fact, you would definitely be a millionaire right now. And it makes me so happy that you guys are here with me and we're able to trade these stocks together. This is what the channel is for. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to not only subscribe, but turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any more short squeezes. We did call a short squeeze on AMC yesterday, which resulted in a nice 25% increase from $5 to $8 before the stock actually dumped following earnings. I told everyone to sell before earnings because earnings are a gamble. Hopefully you listen to me, not just when I tell you to buy, but also when I tell you to sell. Trade responsibly. This is not financial advice. I'm not here to give you some legal advice. I am here to help you trade stocks profitably because I am a professional trader. I have made money in the stock market. All of my students have made money in the stock market. All of my subscribers have made money in the stock market if they follow my instructions. Okay, it doesn't mean we're going to win every trade. It does mean that if we follow instructions and we follow a plan day after day and we trade the best stocks and we trade the best setups, we will make money. We will make money. And that's why we're here together. And I have something exciting for you today. And that is RETA stock and how to trade RETA stock. But more than that, other stocks that you can be taking an eye on, that you can take a look at in order to make more money in the stock market. Here we go. So RETA stock right now, and this is live, by the way, RETA stock right now is trending at about $80. That's where I would consider RETA stock a pretty decent swing trade if you can get it around $80. That being said, do not buy RETA stock at $80 just because it's at $80. You need to have it close. Okay, RETA stock has to close at $80 or more, and RETA stock has to go up more from $80. I have to see some upward trend. So I only buy stocks in an uptrend. All of my students only buy stocks in an uptrend, and that's why we make so much money, because when a stock is going up like this, then that could mean good money. That could mean good profits. But if a stock is going down, then that means it's really hard to make money. Why? Because if you are buying in a downtrend, you are essentially trying to make money by buying at the very bottom of the downtrend and then trying to sell it right before it goes up. If you're holding and you're hoping that your stock will go up a lot, then you cannot make money in a downtrend because the stock never really goes up that much. AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, MMAT, a lot of these popular stocks, they are in downtrends. They're actually in long-term downtrends, which is why so many people lose money on these stocks and why the vast majority of traders who trade stocks like this lose money. And that's also why I'm teaching you how to trade other stocks so that you don't get stuck trading meme stocks and only meme stocks. Because as you can see from RETA, which I called out in the Discord, which you can join in the description, I gave that stock to you at $28, and that stock went to $93. It wasn't as risky as the AMC, and yet it actually made you even more money. And that's what the goal is, not only to maximize your profits, but also to minimize your losses. We want to keep those losses nice and small so that you can keep the money that you earn. So RETA stock right here at about $80 right now can be a decent trade. You can see that there's some downward momentum in RETA right now, but at $80, and then the other level is about $75. So $75 and $80 are what are known as support levels, which are levels where banks are buying into the stock. Now you do want the stock again to be in an uptrend. So once the stock comes down to that level, you want it to start trending upward as so. So after $75 is hit, or $80, you want to see the stock come up to maybe like $77, $78, and then come down to maybe $76, and that's your entry. You want to get an entry on a stock going up in an uptrend and then pulling back just slightly, letting you get your foot in the door. Okay, that's where we get our foot in the door, and then pushing up even more. We are trading a stock right now in our Discord group. That stock is called BVS. I called it out this morning. You can actually see right here that BVS stock came to about $2.02, where I was buying shares of the stock before it started to rise, and it's about $2.29 right now, meaning that we've already made about 10% profits on the stock. If you want to watch that stock and you want to take maybe possibly trade it if it's in an uptrend, you can. I'm not going to give you the exact buying prices and sell prices right here because that's not what this channel is always for on the YouTube. I actually do all of that in the Discord though, so join the link in the description if you haven't already. Another stock, ONCS, this is also interesting where it is right now. It's at about $2. So these are two other stocks that you can take a look at. You can take a look at your ONCS. You can take a look at your BVS. All of these are stocks that we've traded and made money on. For instance, ONCS, we bought this today at around $2.05, and the stock went to $2.65. So that's a 30% increase right there. We're all making money in the Discord. We do want to take a look at RETA again, just to make sure you guys understand and know how to trade that stock. You can see at the $80 level in real time right now, the stock has already responded. So it's moved from the $80 level and it's at about $84 right now. So you might be thinking, if I buy RETA stock at $80 and it's moving to $84, where should I take profits? Well, I would take profits at about $84.75, taking the profits from 80 to $84.75, and I would also think about taking profits on RETA stock from $85.75 to maybe about $88 is where I would set my second profit target. And then I would also set a profit target at $94 and $99. So those are the profit targets. One more time, I would sell at $84 $87, $94, and $97 on RETA stock. I would think about buying it at $75 to $80, which actually in real time you can see the stock came to $81 before trending up to about $85, meaning we already hit our first profit target in real time on this channel while I'm recording this video. And from there, we can think about moving on with RETA stock, maybe either dropping it or waiting for it to come back down where we can trade it again. If RETA stock goes below $75, I would set a stop loss at about $73. I don't want to see the stock pull back below $75. That would tell me that the stock is so weak that it is actually not in an uptrend, it's in a downtrend. One more time, guys, there's so much money to be made in the stock market. Here's where you're going to get notified of all the short squeezes before they happen. You don't have to spend all this time and energy looking into your stocks anymore. You probably have traded a lot of stocks where they went down and you've lost money. This channel is going to help turn that around for you. So subscribe, hit the notification bell if the video was helpful. Make sure to like the video and watch our stocks here, RETA, BVS, and our friend ONCS as well. All right, you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next trading day.
No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.